Hello, everybody. Let's talk a little bit about Tesla. Whether you love it, whether you hate it, the stock is an absolute monster, an absolute animal, and it's made a lot of people a lot of money. But at the same time, if you bought in at the peak, you're down an ish ton of money. Currently, Tesla is trading just under $700. 52-week low is just under $600. The all-time high was around $1,200 and something dollars a share. The current market cap around 700 million. I believe the market cap hit 1.2 something trillion, if I'm not mistaken. So what are you guys doing right now? Are you taking the opportunity to pick up more shares of Tesla, or are you not picking up more shares of Tesla? I'll tell you my own personal play. I'm waiting to pick up more shares of Tesla in Q2 of this year because I don't think that they're going to make their production numbers as they quoted because of all the lockdowns in China and the Shanghai Gigafactory. But in the long term, I think that Tesla is an absolute beast and it's going to make a ton of returns. Let me give you some stats and give you some justifications why I think Tesla is a fantastic buy, but I'm not giving you guys financial advice. Definitely do whatever you want. And I think nobody's denying that Tesla is a great buy, right? The only question or the only thing of debate is at what point should you be buying Tesla? How low can Tesla go? August 4th is going to be the annual shareholders meeting. 3-for-1 stock split. It was announced that we're doing a 3-for-1 stock split. All we got to do is get a vote by shareholders. I don't see anybody who's going to say, no, we're not going to vote for that. Everyone's going to vote for the 3-to-1 stock split. And it's probably going to propel the price of Tesla up a little bit. In reality, it's just vanity. That stock splits doesn't really mean anything, but it looks better. It looks smarter. Last time that there was a stock split for Tesla, the price skyrocketed. And in general, stock splits make the price go up. The only thing that it does help is options, because a contract is 100 shares. If we get a 3-to-1 split, it's going to be cheaper to do options. So I guess we benefit in that. AI Day number 2 is pushed back to September 30th. Why? Elon Musk says that we will be having a working Tesla bot, and he can showcase that working Tesla bot in AI Day. I think it was a great push, and if you can actually showcase the Tesla bot, which is pretty much a freaking robot, I think it's definitely going to help with the share price. Elon owns around 23.5% of all Tesla shares because he sold a bunch in order to finance Twitter. And Larry Ellison, who is the head of Oracle, is stepping down from the board of Tesla. He owns around 1.5% of Tesla. Why he's stepping down, nobody knows. Is it a good thing, a bad thing? I think it's irrelevant, but I like bringing you guys the news. Very important to understand that Tesla owns 75% of the market share in the EV market. The EV market is only 5% of the total auto market. Of the top 10 EV cars, Tesla is in place 1, 2, 4, and 7. Models Y and 3 is 1 and 2. Model X is number 4, and Model S is number 7, because Model S is kind of like a luxury EV car, and people probably are not spending as much money for that car. Question is, how many cars can Tesla actually produce, and can they actually keep moving forward and growing Tesla? I believe they can. In Q1, they produced like 305,000 cars, and they're saying that they're going to produce up to 1.5 million cars in 2022, bringing it up to 2 million cars in 2023. In 2024, there's going to be robo-taxis. Elon says that there's going to be working volume production robo-taxis on the road. If you don't know, that's going to be, you have a fleet of cars where you can lend your car to the robo-taxis, and you're going to have a manless taxi who's going to be able to drive people around. It's pretty crazy. Full self-driving, as per Elon, in 2023, in about a year from now. I think full self-driving, if we have the capabilities and it's actually going to be a thing, it's going to propel this company like crazy. I think that the Tesla robot is going to propel this company like crazy. And Elon says that the Tesla robot is actually going to be bigger than all of Tesla combined, which is going to be pretty crazy. But the question is, do you see Elon as a bullshitter, or do you see Elon as a deliverer? You see, Elon doesn't always stick to his dates, right? So sometimes he doesn't deliver what he says he's going to deliver on the date. And that's okay, because he then delivers in the future. Personally, I don't even think Tesla is a good car. I'm not even going to lie to you. It's not the best quality. It's not the best put together. There's always some problems, some framing, this, that, because they're rushing to put them out on the road to get their production numbers. And I get it. As a shareholder, kind of happy with it. It is a very safe car, though. All these accidents, all these fires that people are talking about, it's actually just a small blemish compared to non-self-driving cars, right? But everybody likes to focus on, oh, Tesla this, Tesla that, and nobody focuses on the numbers as a whole on the entire market. So he's trying to produce these cars, he's trying to get these numbers out, but it's undeniable, Tesla is the front runner for self-driving cars. That's why people buy Teslas. You literally buy a Tesla because you want to be in, and I don't have a Tesla, but you want to be in a Tesla so you can literally record a video on YouTube and be like, hey, I'm driving my Tesla, blah, 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 and you don't want to be staring. If that happens, unbelievable. Now, if you can actually lend out your car to be part of a robo-taxi fleet and you can make money if you have a Tesla, that would be absolutely insane, bonkers. And Tesla is offering insurance to Tesla drivers. Why? They can see how you're driving, where you're stopping, when you're speeding, are you stopping in time, reaction time, so much and so on and so forth, because they have all of these sensors inside of a Tesla. All of these things put together makes Tesla an absolute monster and an animal, and it's very hard to catch up to Tesla. I think that Elon is going to deliver with everything he's saying. He might not deliver exactly on the dates, but 6 months later, he's going to deliver what he's saying he's going to deliver. And I really like what he wrote with those emails, how he says, listen, everybody has to get back to work. I'm not firing any factory workers, but we are going to get rid of 10% of the workforce that are not factory workers. Why? There's this crazy notion that work from home works, but work from home does not work. Why? We as people, as adults, become children. Like it's a snow day when we're working from home and the productivity dramatically drops. That's the problem. And I'm happy that somebody like him is like, listen, guys, we have to get back to work because whatever the heck is happening right now, it's not working. And he literally said, if you don't want to go back to work and you don't want to work inside of the office, well, pretend that you're working somewhere else, because that's exactly what people are doing. They're pretending that they're working. And honestly, just look on the person to your left, look on the person to your right. We all know people like that are literally milking the system and working from home, literally going to the gym, going to dinner, doing nothing, and then putting in some BS reports, right? Because their supervisors and the supervisors of their supervisors are not following up because they're all doing the exact same thing. The system is broken. So by Elon saying this, I think that he's taking the reins again and he's like, listen, we're going to get this done by all means necessary. And I think as a shareholder, this is something that you want your CEO, your captain to be saying. So I am a buyer of Tesla. I am waiting for Q2, and I'm actually taking advantage of this huge dip, this huge market correction to actually get into Tesla because I didn't get a chance to before. I sold out, and I just started rebuying recently. Guys, let me know in the comments down below, what are you guys doing with Tesla? It's such a meme-like, such a cult-like stock. I'm curious to see what you guys are doing below. Thank you.